Hello, this is Oxxy here. This is Nadia Shineva speaking. I'm marketing manager at the Oxxy company. I apologize for my accent. I'm not a native speaker, and I hope that this won't be a problem for you. With this video course, I would like to show you how to create an online shop. In order to do that, first you should create your account through the Start Now Free button, which will lead you to our ready-to-use design templates. You have to choose a template like that. So you will be redirected to our sign up page. Here you have three possibilities: to sign up through an email, through your Facebook profile, or through your Google account. In this case, we are going to use a webmail registration like that. I'm going to put a test password. You should agree with our terms of use and privacy policy. You should choose to agree or not to receive our marketing messages, and you have to press the sign up button in order to enter in the builder platform. Now we are already in the builder. You can see that the system has already loaded the web design template we have chosen. Before starting to work on your website, don't forget that if you meet some difficulties to build your website, you can always access our help center from here, and you can watch one of our video tutorials, or you can read the other tutorials on our website. Of course, we are always ready to help you throughout our live chat. You can send us in every moment your questions and requests. Now we are going to return to the builder because I'd like to show you the main menus and functionality of our platform. From the right menu, you can manage all your website, because through one account you can create more than one website. Here from this button you can create your new website. Of course, you have to choose a design template. You can use one of the ready designs, or you can start from scratch here from a blank page. I'd like to choose this one. Select. Then you have to specify if you'd like right away to activate a subscription plan, or you're going to start with the free account. I'm selecting the free account, and here it is. I have activated in the builder platform a new website. You can easily switch from a site to site from this menu. Each website here has its own menu. Here are the site settings, site preview icon, the save site icon, and publish website button. When you click to site settings, you can manage from here the site settings of the site settings. Here you can change the name of the website. For example, test website. This is the name which is not visible for external users. This is a name only that you are going to use. From here now you can see that when you use the free registration, you are using our subdomain. In this case is webmediacompass.oxxy.com test. From this button you can buy a domain, or you can connect or transfer a domain both from another platform. I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can upgrade your package from here. There are some SEO options that you can set up. You can put a favicon, you can activate your mobile website or e-commerce model, which is a different model which will be linked to the main website if you'd like to activate it. And here is the most important button, OK. When you make changes in the site settings, you have always to remember these settings, because otherwise they won't be registered in the website. From here you can delete your website and it won't be anymore here in this list. And from site history you can return to each version you registered during your work on the website. Every time you click on the Save Site button, here you have a different version which is registered, and it is very useful for our users, because if they make an error or if they prefer to return to a previous version, they have everything kept here in the site history. Now I'm going to show you the account settings. You can access them from here, from this icon. The first category are the subscriptions. From here you can upgrade your subscription plan. Then you have your domains. From here you can search from a new domain name and see if it is available, and eventually buy it. From here you can manage your subdomain. From here, for this case it is Web Media Compass. I can change its name, and when you buy or transfer or a domain name, you can see it here. Then you have your mailboxes. Each subscription plan includes number of mailboxes. You can activate them and make all the settings and manage them. Of course, the mailboxes are connected to your domain. Billing and payments, or the invoices you receive, you can see them and check them here. Personal data. This information is very important, because the invoice the system issue for each transaction include the personal data you register here. We can return to the main dashboard. Now I'm going to show you the left menu, from which you can manage your website pages. From here, I repeat, you can manage your website, and from the left menu the single pages of a single website. You have the same button here as from the right menu, create page. We are going to create a test page, and you can see it here in the right menu. Each page has its own settings. You can delete a page, create a page, or you can make sub-pages. For example, this test page that we have just created, I made it by using drag and drop functionality. I made it a sub-page of this one, necklaces. I would like to show you in the preview mode how it will look like. Here I saw that necklaces doesn't exist here in the visualization in the main menu, so it is hidden. This means that it is hidden from the menu. You can see I used the settings button, and here there is this checkbox hide from menu. I'm going to unhide it so you can see it right now. I'm going to the site preview option and you can see the subpage test, but in this case you see that there is not suitable background. It is transparent, so I have to change it in order to can read here what is written. Now I'm going to show you how to do that, how to put a background of the sub menu. You should go to the element menu and from the style button you should put here a background. In this case the checkbox is not checked. This means that there is no background, it is transparent. We want to make put the same background as this element because only this way there won't be a difference between the two backgrounds of the menu element and of the element which is situated below. To do this, I should go to the style icon of the element above and I should copy the exact parameters of the background. Here it is. So I'm going to transfer these parameters here in the menu element. Color, I made copy paste. Okay, now I have the same background, so I can show you in the preview mode. Here it is. You can see that we put a background of the submenu. We are returning to the platform. The last menu I'd like to show you is this one, which contains all the elements we can use on your website. You have a text window. You can enter here your text, and of course you have all the settings necessary to manage this element. You have an image window, of course. Each element has its own menu. From here, from settings, you can change the image by accessing our file manager. This is the file manager. From here you can load your images, and after that use them on the website. And from here you can link the image, for example, to a site page, to a web address, to an email, or to a file uploaded in our media library. Then I'm going to delete these elements. Then you have galleries. This is a slideshow. You can use a media. You can introduce videos, for example, from YouTube. Store. This button is to activate your online store. You can use and include in your website various buttons. You can change their style as you want. You can link them to site pages, again to web pages, emails and files from the media library. You can implement your social profiles, and you can use different shapes as elements for your website. Again, I'm going to delete all these elements and we can start to build our website. Now I'd like to build my online store for jewelries. First I'd like to build the website, and after that I'm going to activate the online store, and I'm going to insert there all my products. I have already chosen a template. This is this one. So I'm starting with our web pages. The first thing to do is to reorder these pages and to rename them. I'm going to keep the design template. Home is okay. Collection, I'm going to name it jewelry, like that. About us, I'm going to leave it. Contacts, I'm going to leave it. Necklaces, I'm going to delete it. So now I'd like to create some subpages of jewelry. The first one will be bracelets. Okay, here it is. Another one, necklaces. I'm going to change this, bracelets, like that. And another one, earrings. Each one of these new pages, I'm going to make them subpages of jewelry. Here it is, how I'm going to do this. I have already structured my pages, so I can start to fill in the content. First, I'm going to start from the home page. Here I have the preview of the different subsections: necklaces, earrings, jewelry. I'm going to change this title to bracelets. You can see that how easy it is to work over the ready-to-use template. Here I like to upload my own pictures. First, I have to add them to the library. From this button, add files to library, image. So I'm going here, bracelets. First, I'm going to upload all the pictures from the bracelets category. After that, earrings, and after that, necklaces. It's better to upload all the pictures you want to use for the website at the beginning. After that, you can use them directly on your website. Here is the element in which I would like to change the picture. From here, settings, change image. I'm going directly to the library. From here you can choose some free images that Oxxy offers you, but I like to use my own. Necklaces, I'm going to choose this picture. From the style button you can manage and change the settings of this element. Earrings, again I'm going to change the picture, and here bracelets, I like to use my own photo. It's okay. I'm going to save what I have done, and I'm going to the preview mode to see how it looks like. Now it's not possible to click over these pictures. I should incorporate here a link that will lead me to the respective page from the website. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to put the link on the button. Here you click on the settings, link to site page. I choose necklaces. It's okay. The same thing, the picture, I'd like to link it to necklaces. Here I make the same things for the next category. First I put the link on the button, earrings. This is why it's so important first to create your pages, because then when you start to work on the different elements of the web pages, when you want to link some elements to other pages, you should have them already done. Here I put the link to earrings web page, bracelets. I do the same actions, it's so easy. Here it is, bracelets. Now I'm going to put also the text that I want. Here I have it already. I make copy, then I can paste it. I suggest you to keep every time the first letters from the text box in order to keep the format of the text. I'm going to delete this, and with Ctrl V I'm going to paste my new text. You can position it wherever you want. Now my home page is already done. I'm going to make my other pages about us. I'm going to keep absolutely the same design, just I'm going to change the text. This is absolutely a test text, just to show you how it works. Here I'm going to change the image and put my own image. I can change also here the title. I personalize the text, and the web page about us is ready. So to go to the contacts page, I can do that every time from here to switch from page to page. Contacts, here you can personalize your contacts. This is the email form, the contact form. You can put your email, phone number, and you can insert a thank you message when a user sends you a request. So here you can find all the necessary settings. Of course, for your location, if you have an office, a location store, you can upload your Google map. So I can say that my main website is ready, so I can proceed to build the online store module. In order to create your online store, you should use this button through which you can activate your store, create store. You can create it with the free account, but if you like to publish it, you have to pass to e-commerce plan. Now we are in the e-commerce module. From here you can manage your online store. Here are the different categories: products, collections, orders, payments, shipping and tax, store settings. I'm going to show you how to upload your products and how to manage them, but first, in order to do that, it's better to organize your collections, because after that, each product that you create, you should assign it to a certain collection. Here, how can we do that? We are going to collections, create collection. We put the name, in our case, bracelets. Sorry, bracelets. So you put a description, save. It's okay. We created it. Another one, necklaces, a description, save. Another one, earrings, and the description, save. Okay, now we have 3 collections with 0 products. Now we are going to open the products category and we are going to introduce one by one our products. The first product I'm going to create is this one, bracelet. Let's name it bracelet number 1, 30 euros. I put the product code. I upload an image. For each product you can upload more than 1 images. This is the second image. You can introduce your product by filling in a description. So now you can select the collection to which you'd like to assign the product, bracelets, and you can add different characteristics of the product. For example, one of the characteristics could be color, and here you can put white, red, black, for example. So you can give additional choices to your users to choose another kind of the same product. Save, and our product has been created successfully. Here it is, the product. Now you can continue to introduce other products and to assign them to the different collections. Now we can move to orders. Here there is nothing because we didn't have already orders. It can happen only when the website is online. For the payments, you have 2 options, PayPal and offline payments. Through this button you can connect with your PayPal account and receive the payments of your customers for their orders. And for the offline payment, here you can fill in the message and all the details that you'd like to communicate to your users if they choose this payment method. Then there is the shipping and tax category. Here you can set all the regions for your delivery. For example, now we have only Italy. You can add also different regions, different countries. For the shipping, what will you charge for shipping? You can set different taxes for each region. For example, Italy, you have to put the delivery method, the name of the carrier that will take the delivery, the number of days that are necessary for the delivery, and your rate if you like to charge the customer for the delivery. You can add as many as carriers as you like, and of course here you can adjust your tax rule. There is the option to add different regions, because for example if you sell to different country, the tax rates could be different. Finally, the store settings. Here you can change the name of the store, to adjust your language, to set the currency, to put your business contacts, address, and all the data necessary for your store. Now we are going to return to the main website, and I'm going to show you how to manage your e-commerce web pages. Here on the left menu you can see that appeared new pages from the e-commerce store. These are the template e-commerce pages: the shop page, the product page, the cart page, and the thank you page. The shop page is not mandatory for your website to appear like that in the main menu. You can hide it from here like that, and you can use another customized web page created by you, where you can insert all your products. It depends on you how you like to structure your online shop. For the moment, I'm going to leave it. You can see that when you activate the e-commerce store and when you insert here your products, when you return to the main website, you can see that all the products you have inserted are already here on the shop page. I like to adjust it a little bit. Please take into consideration that all the important content you put on the website, it's better to be positioned between these two vertical lines, because this is a guarantee for you that your website will look perfectly on all resolutions screens, from the smallest to the biggest one. And I'm talking about the desktop version. Now, after we have created the shop page with all the products, I would like to insert the different collections that I have created here in the e-commerce in the respective category subpages. So I like to put all earrings in the earrings subpage, all the necklaces in the necklaces subpages, and all the bracelets in the bracelets subpage. I start with this one. For the moment you can see that there is no product here. In order to insert the respective collection, I should go here to Store, Product Gallery. Now you can see all the products, but I can adjust this and choose only a single collection. From here, from the settings button, I choose the collection that I'm interested in. In this case, this is earrings, like that. So I have these products in earrings. I have to adjust a little bit this window with the products, and here they are. All the products that we have in this collection are already here in the earrings subpage. I'm going to do the same thing with the next subpages, necklaces. Again, I'm using this menu, Store, Product Gallery. I can see all the products, but from here I can choose only necklaces collection, and I should adjust the visualization. I'm proceeding forward, going to bracelets, Store, Product Gallery, Settings, and I'm choosing the bracelets collection, and I'm adjusting. Now I like to go to the website preview to see how it looks like. This is the home page. This is my shop page. The jewelry category contains earrings subcategory. These are the products, necklaces, and bracelets. Now we have to set up the product page from here. The way it looks this template product page. This way will look all the product pages that you have created for your products. These characteristics here are standard, and they have to be set up from the e-commerce module here, but you can add some additional elements as text, for example, some additional text details that you like to put. But consider that if all the elements you put here on the template product page, all these elements will appear on all product pages. You can add, for example, some social buttons, for example, Facebook like button, like that. There are options to personalize the product page, but you should always take into consideration that these elements will appear on all product pages. Now, when I'm going to the preview mode, I'm entering in one of the products, and you can see here all the additional elements that we have added are already here. We can go directly to another collection, another product. Always these elements are here. Now I'm going to set up also the cart page here, like that. Let's see that if this is okay online. Okay, great. And now I'm going to make also some adjustments on the thank you page. Here it is. It's okay. Now I'm going to save the site, to publish it, and I'm going to show you how to make a test order on this e-commerce web store. In order to can accept orders online, you should publish the website and upgrade the plan to e-commerce subscription. I'm choosing here the yearly subscription plan. So I'm going to choose a country and insert my address. Here I'm choosing Italy. Here it is. First name test, last name test, city Rome. I'm putting a test address, Lazio. Phone number, here is a test phone number. If you have a company and VAT number, you should include it. Submit. There's the test number. It's not okay. Here it is okay. So I put a voucher. So this is why you see here 0. This is only for this video course. I agree. You successfully purchased your order with a voucher discount. So I have already activated the e-commerce plan. So now I can publish the website and I can show you a test order on your e-commerce store. Congratulations, I have published the website on Oxxy subdomain. View the website. Now I'm going to make a test order and you're going to see what will see your customer. I'm choosing this product. I see the page of the product and all the information included here. I add it to my cart and I'm going to the cart page. Here I can adjust the quantity. I'm going to make the checkout. First name, last name, email, this is the email, I'm going to use address, country, Italy, city, Rome, zip code, Lazio, here there is an error. My billing address is different than shipping address, but for the moment we don't use this. Continue. Now I'm on the cart page and I should choose the delivery method. I included different delivery companies with a specified delivery time and delivery price. I choose this one. Now I'm on the payment page and I have previously set up the PayPal payment method, so the user will going to choose it. And here is the final page where the customer can finalize his payment. So here we are, we have created our online shop. I hope that this video course was useful for you. Please don't hesitate to contact us by email, by our live chat or by phone to ask us questions about how to build your website. Oxxy team is always available.